So I decided to do a half Ironman, and in training for it, I've been spending a lot of time on my bike. And here in Spain, the countryside is just so beautiful, and I've been looking for ways to capture it with pictures or video, but it's hard to really take video or pictures when you're riding your bike. But we recently bought a GoPro and a Karma grip, which is a stabilizer for the camera itself. So I figured out a way to get it mounted here and capture some of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy my clip from about 25 miles of bike riding the other day. So here we have a time-lapse video of about an hour and a half of cycling that I did the other day, condensed down into 2 or 3 minutes of video. I started out leaving my house in Chipiona, and I rode through another town called Sanlúcar, and ultimately out to a new town that I haven't been before called Trebujena. And that town's about 25 miles away and really beautiful, up on top of a hill, and just a really quaint, small, white town that you can see from the distance as you approach. I had to stop for a minute because I was having some problems with my bike computer not picking up a reading, and I thought maybe I lost a piece on my bike, but it turns out that the GoPro, while it's videoing, I think actually interfered with my computer, so it wouldn't really pick up my speed or distance or anything like that, which wasn't really a big deal because I also use the Strava app on my phone, and that tracks my whole bike ride, so I was glad to capture the data. Getting through towns on a road bike sometimes can be kind of difficult, especially through Sanlúcar, which I just went through. But once you make it out of town and into the farmlands, the open road is just beautiful. I mean, there's sunflower fields and wheat fields and windmills, and it's harvest season. So the farmers are out doing their work. And although I'm on a pretty busy road right now, it's really not terribly dangerous or scary. The motorists are really respectful of cyclists and really stay as far away from you as they possibly can. So this was a good ride through the country. A half Ironman consists of a 1.2-mile swim, a 56-mile bike ride, and a 13-mile run. So for the last 6 to 8 months, I've been training pretty consistently and getting my bike mileage up 256. I think my longest ride to date is about a 70-mile ride, which is a pretty long way, but it's just amazing what your body will let you do when you commit to it and just incrementally, get better. So here I am pulling into Trebujena. The hills here are pretty serious, and it was pretty strenuous getting up the hill. I wish I had some lower gears on my bike, but I made it nonetheless. Once I made it through the town, I turned around and started heading back, and I was going to take the same road that I came on. However, I found another highway on my left that went into Jerez, which is a neighboring town, and so I took that road, and all in all ended up with a 55-mile bike ride, but it sure was fun. My camera battery died after about an hour and a half, so I had to stop and take some pictures of the sunflower fields and windmills. My half Ironman is in October, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook, and I'll post periodic updates. Thanks.